my YouTube channel. It's KBO or Gambolai here. Well, today I'm gonna do a little something crazy here, and I'm gonna show you guys what I wore for my Hmong inspiration this year. We're gonna get started, okay? I don't know, it just got me confused, but yeah. welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's KBO Gumbalai here. I hope you guys like the last outfit that I put out here today. I actually really like it. I didn't have the chance to wear it last year, but I actually planned it out for my two sisters. Let's see if I can find some photo and put it up there. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys like this kind of video. I actually have many more ideas and many inspirations, but I just haven't put it out yet. If you guys like it too, please let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely do a second part, a 3-part, whatever, when you guys want or whenever I want. I don't know, it's just I want to do something that you guys actually want to see. So like, I love doing these kind of installations because I have so many in my box, and I want to like show you guys, and maybe somehow I will sell it, and you know, maybe in the future I will sell it. But anyways, back to the pom-pom. I know that a lot of you guys have been texting me about the pom-pom belts. These are what I have for now. I actually made some order, and because due to whatever is happening right now, I just have to postpone it, and I have to wait for it again because I don't want to like order it now because due to whatever is going on, it's kind of bad because I know you guys have been like telling me that you guys really want it. These are very cute, and I don't want to shout out to the price yet because I don't want to like give you guys like a price, and then when the products come I might change the price, right? So I want the products to come to me first, and I have to see the quality to see if it's supposed to be that price or to give you guys like a decent price, because for me I would like to buy something beautiful, but at least it's like a decent price too, right? Anyway, so I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more of this. Like I say, I repeat myself, it doesn't make any sense, but comment down below and I can do part 2, part 3 whenever. It's because I feel like I want to like give out more ideas out there. So yeah, let's take another look at this. So pretty. Well, I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye.